Hey, this is Cherry Walnut Morning Porridge from the 5-ingredient anti-inflammatory cookbook. Cherries and walnuts actually are both strong anti-inflammatory ingredients. Warm, filling, one of the better ones in this chapter. Let's start. Бля, почему так сами сделал? Мне кажется, блядь, дико нахуй. We will start with the pot. Put half a cup of buckwheat groats, uncooked here. Add 2 cups of water. And 2. Now put the pot on the medium heat, like so, and bring to a boil. Now it's boiling, so we need to reduce the heat to simmer. Cover the lid and wait approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the buckwheat is soft and porridge-like. Meanwhile, it's recommended to heat your cherries and heat the cherries in a small saucepan over like medium heat for a couple of minutes, and then mashing them gently just to make it smooth and soft. Me already using frozen cherries, and while they melt they became soft and already have some juice, so I don't need to heat them one more time because it will be too watery. So instead I would just put it in the microwave, maybe 20 or 30 seconds, just to bring them a little bit heat, and they will be ready to eat. Okay, buckwheat is ready. As you see, it's already soft, so we're ready to go. Let's put a bowl, place buckwheat here, spread it a little bit. Now take the warm cherries. I will put them on side here. Yep. Now some Greek yogurt. More. And pair with crushed walnuts here. And that's it. As you see, this is very simple. Now let's try it. To be honest, I've never tried the buckwheat with cherries and with Greek yogurt as well, so for me it will be interesting to try. Actually, it's simple as it is. It's just buckwheat, some Greek yogurt and cherries, and everything combined together perfectly, so the taste is very good. I would say that you can change the berries for any berries that you have, maybe blueberries, maybe raspberries or strawberries. Anything will be good here. So yeah, good one. I like it. So, thank you and see you in the next videos.